We want to eliminate trachoma. We find it's a treatable disease, it can be prevented. So our task as the people from West Pokot, as the ministry, as a government, is to ensure that we also try to prevent this.
We need to think about the environmental component, and which is also linked to the behavior component that the head of NTDs in Kenya talked about. As the populations that we are targeting migrate, they put pressure on the little infrastructure that is available on either side of the border that they are migrating. And therefore, as we talk about safe, I want to challenge both the West Pokot side and the Karamoja side that this is the first step, but let us think going forward about how do we manage the facial cleanliness and environmental improvement that has or have a bearing on behavior change, and therefore putting in place also very critical behavior change advocacy or awareness raising among the communities that we are targeting.
This disease should be connected to water and sanitation. So we need to work closely with the Ministry of Water so that our people can be clean. Actually, Ministry of Water, Ministry of Health, whenever we do drug administration or where we administer the drug, some of the people miss some of the doses because they are the other side of Kenya. And by the time they come back, so it defeats the effort of us administering this together.
There is no point for us now to really simply focus on one country or one district and so on, but there should be a collaborative partnership that cuts across the regions, the districts, without these artificial boundaries or political boundaries, so to speak. Political boundaries are only meant for political or country, whatever, but people or diseases especially do not respect borders, and therefore we came with this idea of cross-border collaboration, and then we started the first, we launched the first meeting to discuss on how to really implement this along the East African countries, involving 7 countries.
The government has been consistent in its fight towards these neglected tropical diseases, and this can be affirmed through the various pieces of legislation from the Ministry of Health through the Division of Vector-borne and Neglected Tropical Diseases. In 2011, Kenya was one of among the pioneer African countries to develop its first strategic plan to tackle neglected tropical diseases in the country. This strategic plan elapsed in 2016. Thereafter, we did a review and developed the second strategic plan, which elapsed last year. Allow me to also indicate that within the wider strategic plans, we've realized the need to come with various disease-specific strategies to tackle the menace of the NTDs in the country. One of these that probably I will touch base today is on the breaking transmission strategy that was launched in 2019 for 4 preventive chemotherapy neglected tropical diseases, namely lymphatic filariasis or elephantiasis, soil-transmitted helminths or intestinal worms, schistosomiasis or bilharzia, and lastly, our core focus today, the blinding trachoma.